RJ! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is going to be my day-to-night holiday makeup look. So this is perfect for you guys out there na a-attend ng mga holiday parties or walwalan out there. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and click that notification bell beside it for more videos. And without further ado, let's hop in right into the video. So to save time, I already did my foundation off cam as you can see. But before that, nag-apply muna ako ng primer. And for the primer, I used the Ellana Mineral Cosmetics Blur Makeup Primer. It's this one. For my foundation, I used two foundation. The first one is the Ordinary Serum Foundation and the second one is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. What I did is, in-apply ko muna si The Ordinary Serum Foundation sa center ng aking face, while si Maybelline Fit Me sa outside perimeter ng aking face. So, hindi ko sila pinag-mix. For my concealer, ang ginamit ko is si Maybelline Fit Me na concealer, and for the powder to set my face, ang ginamit ko din is si Maybelline Fit Me pa rin, and this is their powder foundation. So before I finish up my base, let's do the eyes first, starting off with my brows. As you can see, wala pang ka-product yung brows ko. So, I'm just going to get a spoolie and ibabrush ko muna siya upwards. And then after that, ang gagamitin ko is this Daiso Eyebrow Pencil. So I'm now done with my brows, guys, and for the daytime look, I want to make my eyeshadow very simple yet very holiday appropriate. So I'm going to use this Colourette Velvetint in the shade Birthday Cake, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lids. And for my mascara, what I'm going to use is the Maybelline Total Temptation, the waterproof variant. So now, let's finish up my base and let's start with the bronzer. I'm just going to use the Vice Cosmetics Aura Collection in the shade For Sure. For the blush, I'm just going to use this Nichido True Colors Powder Blush in the shade Cool Rum. And I'm just going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. For the highlighter, I'm going to use this Vice Cosmetics Aura Collection in the shade Splendid. And I'm just going to apply this sa areas where I want some glow. And now for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Colourette Velvetint again in the shade Birthday Cake. So before finishing up this daytime makeup look, I'm just going to set my face with this facial spray. So any facial spray or facial mist will do. So now we're transitioning to the nighttime makeup look, and this is going to be very easy na lang. It's because mag-focus na lang tayo sa ating eyes and sa lips, because that will be changing this whole daytime makeup look, guys. Let's start with the eyeshadow first. I'm just going to use this Autumn Eyeshadow Palette from Detail Makeover. This is one of my favorites, guys. This palette is so great. I really love it. And for the first shade na gagamitin ko is yung shade na Harkin, this one. Just going to apply this on my crease. And then after that, the next shade that I'm going to use is the shade Opal, this one. So dark brown siya. And I'm just going to put this sa outer corners ng ating eyes. And then lastly, I'm just going to pop on some shimmers on my lids. And ang gagamitin ko na shade is this one. This is in the shade Kale. And then I'm going to top it off with the shade Rye. This one. And for our lower lash line, guys, I'm just going to use the shade Harkid again and the shade Paisley. So after that, I'm just going to use an eyeliner, and this is from Maybelline. This is their Hypersharp Power Black eyeliner. And then I'm just going to create a wing on my eyes, and I will do this off cam. Just going to remove the first lipstick with a makeup remover wipes. For the lipstick, I'm going to use this Sunnies Face Fluffmatte in the shade Major. So here's the shade, guys. Lastly, to finish this up, I'm going to set again my face using a facial spray. That is it, guys, for this day to night holiday makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching. See you guys again next time, and happy holidays. Bye!